What up YouTube, this is 34 Skyline and today's video is about the 2019 Mac Pro, and I want to let you guys know I might pick one up. But I want to pick up another 12 core version of the Mac Pro. I always buy 12 core, so I'm going to get the 12 core 2019 Mac Pro along with the Pro display. As long as it comes with the stand, I will get it. If I have to buy the Pro stand with another $1,000, then I'm not gonna get it. But it all depends on it comes with a standard stand. It should come with a standard stand. It's just if you want the Pro stand, you gotta pay another grand. I don't care about too much about the Pro stand. I just wish that I hope not wish, but I hope it comes with just a standard stand. And if it does, I will pick one up. Again. And I will get the 12 core version with the Pro display. And yes, I will try the Titan RTX in the new Mac Pro. I understand that the Mac OS does not support the video cards, but I'm going to try it anyway. But anyway, this is just a video, just an update that I'm going to let you guys know that I might be picking up a new Mac Pro this fall. Alright guys, check you out later. Peace.